Yeah, no, we didn't go with a nine. We didn't play a forward. So you might say you need to win and not play with a forward, but we wanted 3 10s, just pulling them and then hit runs then. But the connection they were able to have with each other, but the importance of then players like Coles, I don't know. I keep hearing some nonsense about him, like maybe he shouldn't be playing, and honestly, I get really surprised by that because he's such an intelligent footballer, and he allows then Brooksy and you've seen Harry today, and we know the importance of Harry and the creativity of Harry, and to get a hat trick as well and be captain. Brennan was outstanding, DJ, but I thought we set it up well for him, but. That's what good players are able to do. They can take these chances, and today was just that day.